If you're watching this right now, this is confirmation that everything you want is on its way to you right now. I sense that your prayers are being answered finally. After years and years of struggle and desperation, you have finally reached a very pivotal point in your journey. And I feel like this is so divine, so cosmic, something that was laid out and is part of your destiny. You are at a very pivotal point in your journey where everything has led to this very moment where you are going to receive so many blessings. And it might surprise you how much life is going to change in such a short amount of time, especially if you believe it. So I want you going forward to think that everything is going to work out for you, and it's only going to get better and better and better. And it is because of your faith and your belief in God that this is your reality. This is how life is meant to be lived. It's not meant to be doom and gloom and struggle after struggle. Everything is a blessing, including the lessons that you go through, including the failures, because everything has served a purpose in the grand scheme of things. And it'll take you reaching this very pivotal point to look back in hindsight and see that it all needed to happen the way that it did, when it did, how it did, to get you to this point exactly in time. So regardless of when you're watching this or when this came out, this is a timeless reading that is relevant to whatever phase of life that you are currently in. This is your journey, my friend. This is your testimony of the relationship that you have with God that you've been developing. And I want you to know that your discipline and your obedience and your faith is being rewarded. That is the promise. That is what is owed to you as a child of God. So I feel like anything that you pursue at this time will bear fruit. You have the golden touch as a chosen one, as a child of God. So anything that you pursue, any ideas, this is the time to go forward with it. This is the green light, because nothing can go wrong from this point on when you see things this way for how they truly are. If this was helpful or if it resonated, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos almost every single day to help you on your journey. And I hope that you'll join me inside the Temple Within, my online sanctuary where we grow closer to God together outside of religious dogma and theology. I'm relaunching that in the next few days, so it's linked down below. I hope that you'll join us. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. I love you so much, but remember, God loves you more.